Well, here's the deal. Just hold tight, man. Here's the deal. This thing's full. It's supposed to be in park or neutral when it's getting done. What are you up to? Here it clunks in the reverse. That ain't normal. Should slide in reverse. But neutral, you're supposed to check it. I'm showing you there's oil in the machine. Here, hold on to that, would you? Hold that. That's it. Plenty of fluid. Does it show it on this? Yeah. Plenty of fluid. Now when I come back, you just hold it. I'm going to jack it up. All the wires are hooked up. Ground's on. Bolts, everything is tight. Tranny filter's on it. Tire wants to spin right now, but it says it's in neutral. But here's the deal, it'll go through all the gears until I set it on the ground. Here's drive. Just put it in drive. There you can feel it go in, and it goes through all the gears. Should go through all the gears. Nope, it's not even shifting. That's just staying in a high gear right now.